I can smell you niggas pussy from a mile away. I'm trying to run me up a check at least 10 miles a day. I ain't gon' stress no GPS, little bitch, I found a way. Put a silencer on the Glock to take the sound away. Better place, trying to move my people to a better place. Heaven gates, gotta meet some brothers at them heaven gates. I'ma spray, don't check me a nigga here, so levitate, elevate. Can't stay in the same spot, got
Yeah, man, just kidding, man. What's up, everybody? It's iRate here. Now, we are in 2020. You all know that this corona pandemic, has caused all of us to stay inside. So, I've been seeing some pretty amazing Spiderman web shooters on the internet, like people coming out with, really great web shooters. So I say, hey, man, I gotta build one. So, I built one of them. So let's all go see.
And this motherfucker smell like 100 racks. Smell the glue, just buying them now.
Boom! So you all saw it. So that's what I built. So that took me about 3 days to build it. So man, it was really tough. I think the most difficult part of the whole build is the trigger and the spring. That's the the most difficult part. So I hope you guys subscribe and like the video and share it if possible. So here we go.
I dropped video, I paid it off. So I'm fucking up front, I paid it off. Ain't gon' put no front, won't play it off. Cause nobody niggas, I said it all. Designer drip on me, don't check no times at all. Don't trip off hoes and I can't have them all. Don't fight with bros, like nigga, you mad and all.
What's up, everybody? It's oh shit.